Welcome to Codesob EdTech.
In this video, we'll be seeing clustering algorithm, that is specifically K-means algorithm for datasets. So clustering algorithms or unsupervised learning algorithms which are used to create groups of data with similar characteristics. So one of the algorithms used for clustering is K-means, and we'll see its implementation in Weka. So we'll open a dataset, that is we'll use voting dataset for applying clustering algorithm. So this dataset is now open in Weka because you're performing clustering. We'll go on this, we'll hover the cluster tab and we're going to use clustering function. So here I'm going to choose, you can directly see simple K-means. So if you hover over it, it will give you the description of K-means algorithm, and it also uses Euclidean distance and it can also use Manhattan distance. So I'm going to use simple K-means algorithm and we're going to start by default. Now over here, double click on this and you can change variables like the number of clusters. Instead of 2 clusters, maybe I want 6 clusters. Right, and even you can change the distance over here. By default it will be Euclidean distance, but K-means can also run on Manhattan distance, so you can change the distance over here if needed. And I'm going to click on OK, and once you have made the changes, I'm going to click on Start Again. So ensure that this is ticked, Store Clusters for Visualization, and here you can use various options over here and run the algorithm. And moreover, you can right click on this and you can also visualize the clusters. So if I click on Visualize and I'm going to increase the jitter values, you can see the cluster visualization of the auto dataset over here. So I can also choose this classes to cluster evaluated, and then I can click on Start and you'll get a different output over here. Right, and you can also choose this percentage split and you can change this over here, and you can also click on Start. So see, this combined percentage will form 50%. So that's it. That's how we apply K-means clustering algorithm on datasets in Weka.